So I stopped him for speeding, 41 and a 25. He pulls in right here. He's originally parked here. I get out to get my ticket book out of the back of the patrol car because it's in my patrol bag in the trunk. And he pulls up here, gets out of the car. I tell him, you're not free to leave. You're detained at this time. He proceeds to ignore me and proceeds inside the house. Requests my supervisor, said that I'm not detained. You have no way to prove that I was speeding. And enters the house against my order.
Is this his house?
Yes.
Okay. Secure it and go get a search warrant. I guess. Because it's infraction, right? It's all the guys just an infraction on him. Yeah.
He said he would talk to you.
He said he would talk to you, but he's not going to talk to me. I have his ID in the car.
It's who?
Elijah is his first name.
You want to talk to me?
Yeah.
Well, he said that he wanted my supervisor. I said my chief is on his way.
He said there was no way
And
to
he said
monitor
that-
the scene with our opposite direction of traffic.
So you have obstructing?
Yeah.
Yes, committed in your presence. What's his name again?
Elijah.
Hey, is Elijah here?
He is.
Can I talk to him?
Okay, I'll let him know.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
Do you know this Elijah character? Do you want to take him in custody?
What's that?
I'll take him into custody if he opens up.
If he's willing to cooperate, then
Elijah,
Hello.
come on in here so we can talk to you for a minute.
No, I'm not coming out there. This is my home.
Okay, well, we need to issue
We
this
talk right
citation,
here.
so
And that's fine.
can you give this officer a chance to... So we have two options, okay? Here's the thing. We can issue this citation, and you can plead your case to courts, or I'll take you to jail right now for obstruct and delay.
Okay.
So, it's up to you.
I said he could give me the citation
Okay,
already.
well then, come on out here so he can finish this up.
I don't
your
need to
vehicle.
go out there for him to issue a citation. So there's no further
Yeah,
reason
you
for me
do.
to
You
be
need
out
to stand right next to your vehicle because he told you you weren't free to go yet. He needs to issue a citation. So please go there, but wait by your vehicle. So that way he can issue citation.
That makes no sense. I
Okay.
have things to take care of.
You have 2 seconds to go by your vehicle and let him issue a citation, or I'm going to place
so
you under
you're going
arrest.
to come on my property.
Or you're going to be placed under arrest for obstructing. Take your pick.
Obstructing what exactly?
You're obstructing his investigation into traffic. He's trying to
no,
issue a
there is
citation.
there is
Okay,
no
if you
obstruction.
feel that the injustice has been, or whatever, you can apply it, you can take it up with the courts. But I need you to go by your vehicle so he can give you the citation and you can be on your way. You're stretching this out way longer than what it needs to be. It's a speeding ticket. Okay,
It's
so
a speeding ticket, so can you tell me even how he would
Okay.
determine speed? What is your
okay,
guys'
that is something
mechanisms
you're going to have to
for
take up with the
determining
judge. You can
speed?
fight that part with the
Okay,
court.
because I'm getting tired of you guys hanging out
Okay.
here. This is my home. You're
Okay.
going to sit here and try to do a speed
Okay.
trap right here. So no, if you want to issue a citation, you go ahead and issue a citation.
Come out
now.
here, wait by your vehicle.
No, I am not.
Come out here, wait by your vehicle.
No, because then once I leave my private home, then that gives you reason for arrest. I am on my private.
You're right now. You're about ready to go to jail.
Yeah, I don't trust you guys. I'm going to go ahead and call my lawyer
Okay.
and
Well-
call the city attorney, and
Okay.
then we will
Well, you
discuss.
can come out here and
okay?
have your.
You have no right into my home. You have passed the threshold. Get your foot off of my door.
You need to come out here to finish
Go ahead,
this.
call the attorney.
That's fine. You're more than welcome to.
You have no right to come in here for a speeding ticket.
Okay.
Get your foot out
Now-
of my door.
but you're obstructing.
I've already heard about you as a chief of police. You're cricket. Get your foot out of my door. I know you have no problem breaking the law. Get your foot out of my door.
Then stand right here. Then do me a favor and stand right here so you can issue the citation.
The sheriff's department.
Sheriff's department's right here.
Okay, good. So go ahead and call
So-
the attorney.
Okay. This is not necessary over a speeding ticket.
You
Okay.
yeah, I know, exactly. What are you saying that for?
So-
Of course, this isn't necessary.
Okay.
Go ahead, call our neighbor here and call Silas as well.
Okay. So come on out here so we can issue a
No, I will
citation.
not.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Okay.
Yes.
So you're going to come out here so he can issue this citation.
Not this time, no.
Okay.
Until I have further witnesses
Okay.
to deal
Well,
with
you have a
guys.
county deputy here, so you have two options. Like I said.
No, that one's very crooked.
Okay.
No.
Well,
That guy.
step out here.
No, I am not. I am getting witnesses, and then
Okay,
once I
that's
have
fine.
other witnesses here, then I will step
No,
outside.
this is not how this works.
That is
So-
how it's going to work.
No, it's not.
I don't have that.
Okay, you're under arrest.
No.
Open the door. You're under arrest.
Out of my
Our
house.
house. You
Get the
cannot
out.
come into our house.
Open the door, you are
Open the
under
door,
arrest.
or I'm gonna tase you.
Daddy.
Open the door, or you're gonna get tased.
Open the door.
I'm gonna get tased.
Open the door.
No, you cannot
Open
take
the
my
He's
door.
under,
husband.
he's under arrest.
He's under arrest.
You are
Open
not-
the door,
Daddy,
or you're gonna get
Pastor
tased.
Paul.
Pastor,
This
I don't
man's
have
looking
Pastor Paul. I don't have their numbers. Daddy.
Open the door now, or you're gonna get tased.
Individual was
take
placed
my
under arrest.
husband.
I am
Open the
calling
door,
for further
you're gonna get
witnesses.
tased.
Wait.
Are you saying you are not allowing me to call? for
No,
witness?
you're under arrest at this point.
I'm calling a witness.
You're under arrest. Open up. Help you push the door.
No! How do you do that? No!
Because he's under arrest.
He's not under arrest, Daddy! Stop! I'm not in here!
Get off of me.
I'm not in
Taser,
here!
taser!
No! 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 I'm not in here!
On the ground! Get on the ground! Stop resisting! You're gonna get tased
Stop,
again!
Daddy! Stop! Help! Help! Help!
Stop resisting, or you're gonna get tased again!
Help! Obi, help!
I'm out of my
Stop
house.
resisting, or you're gonna get tased again!
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Oh my God!
Let him
This
get the
is
cuffs
not
on you, we'll get the-
necessary! Help!
Dispatch
You see
1500,
this?
taser
Call
deployed.
Pastor Paul.
Hello? This is not necessary. Daddy, this is not necessary. This is not,
on the way.
You need a set?
Okay, we're gonna roll you up and sit you on your.
I got it. I got it. I got
Okay?
it. I got it.
You got
Don't
him?
touch me. Get off of me. I will roll
so
over.
crooked. This is so crooked. He didn't, in his own home.
He was placed under arrest.
He was not.
He did.
He was not.
That guy placed him under arrest.
Did you request
With his
EMS
foot
yet?
in our house, sir, and our
Dispatch
daughter's
bill
here.
1500, stage meds.
I'm fine. I'm fine.
Stay seated.
I'm gonna stand up.
No, you listen to these.
I cannot stay in this
Daddy.
position. I have nothing to do. I am handcuffed.
Okay, okay. Please,
I'm
Straighten
getting
your
up.
knees out.
our daughter's
I'm
here.
getting
and our
up.
son.
Send them in your car, or is he? Okay, we got probes.
I'm gonna put it in mine or yours.
Send them in yours right now.
Hold on. Hey, you still got that knife in your pocket? Come on, leave that here. So, come over here.
Dispatch bill 1500. Go ahead and send meds in.